Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming which GPU your laptop uses and why it matters. Drivers and power settings differ by vendor. Once done, update the GPU driver through the manufacturer app or device manager so you run the latest fixes and optimizations. Make sure to plug the laptop into AC and switch the Windows power plan to high performance. That prevents throttling. Then open the vendor control panel to check basic device status and available discrete versus integrated GPU options. Next, you assign specific applications to use the discrete GPU through Windows graphics settings or the vendor control panel, so demanding apps actually use the more powerful chip. After that, set the vendor control panel or GPU app profile to max performance for your target programs. This stops the driver from downclocking under load. Then fine-tune thermals. Use the manufacturer utility to raise fan speed or power limit slightly, and confirm sustained clocks with a monitoring tool so you know the change worked. Finally, validate your changes by running a benchmark or a demanding game and watching temps, clocks, and FPS to confirm the expected improvement. If you hit crashes, black screens, or poor performance, do a clean reinstall of the GPU driver and reboot. That resolves many conflicts. If issues continue, roll back to the prior driver or reduce the power limit and fan curve to stabilize temperatures. One key troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode to uninstall problematic drivers before retrying a clean driver.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.